a Samsung dryer. So if you have one of these and not heat, smart care, wind sensor. So if you have one of these or most Samsung dryer electric, so phase checker breaker, and then you have to check the heat element. To do that, you need a multimeter for continuity, then all fuses, thermal fuse, limit switch, and these are the most common issue. So if you're facing not heating, so then heat element, thermal fuse, and if you pass these off, then it's still not heat, so then you may need a professional to call. You may have a bad motor relay. If it's making noise, definitely you have to replace the motor as you know. So it's making humming noise. It's not get enough voltage. Somehow the motor get faulty. Then you have to replace that. And last thing, control board located here, so you can reach back there. But most problem, if it's not heat, so heat element, which is eye facing, heat element, then limit switch. These are the most common issue, popular. Then once a while eye facing with a motor, then control panel. That's gonna be a different story. So to test that one, so you need a multimeter. Put it on ohm setting, then you can get continuity on these, and you can check one by one. There you go. So now we hear beep. So in your case, maybe you have a different Samsung. They come with a 3. This one come with a 3 coil, so you may have with a 2. Same process. You just need one up, one down, and just make sure they have a continuity. Same thing on fuses. So you just need to remove that wire. Then if you have a beep noise, that's a good one. If it's not beep, then you have to replace it. And this is gonna be the last. Okay, and so don't confuse with this one. So this is not gonna make any beep, but that's gonna be a different taste. So which is I will show with the next video. So you don't need to make any beep noise. So this one doesn't. So don't get confused. Okay, so if we hook these off, that's never make any beep, so don't get confused. You see? And no resistance, but if you, yeah. Alrighty, that was a quick video. Hope this video help out. Again, if it's not heat, those are heat element and limit switch. Then thermal fuse, those gonna be the most common. Thanks so much. If this video help out, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next videos.